Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my journey and experiences with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that like and subscribe button. Today we will be making these simple 2 round flowers. As you can see, I have made them in a variety of yarn. This is pure wool, this is acrylic, and this is also 110% acrylic, and these are lightweight yarns, and this is also lightweight yarn, but different yarn has made it a bit bigger. So today we will make these simple flowers, and as usual with our previous flowers, I'm using my favorite wine cotton yarn, wine colored, red colored cotton yarn. And also you can increase the number of your petals. It all depends upon how many petals you make in the first round, and you will get more or less. I'll be making them with 6. We will start by making slip knot. And then a chain of 4, and then you will join first and last stitch to make a slip ring. In this ring we will make 6 clusters of double crochets joined together. These center that you can see are in fact double crochets joined together and 2 chains. So we will make our first double crochet by making 3 chains, and then we will go back in this center in this ring and make our second cluster. Now we will make 2 chains and then go back in the center and make a second double crochet, but we will not finish it. Start next double crochet, go back, and we will not finish it. And now we will finish these 2 double crochets together. So it was 2 double crochets joined together. It makes a nice petal shaped thing. 2 chains, and then we will go back and make our next petal. So again I am doing only half of my double crochet, only 1 step, and I have 3 loops and I will remove them together. So 2 chains. We have made 3 petals so far, and we have to make 3 more. After making your 6 petals, and if you want to make 7 or 8, just count them, confirm, and you will make 2 chains and join with the first chain 3. This is our flower after first round. We have just got 1 more round left. To start my next round, I will slip stitch myself to the next chain 1 space, and I will make 2 chains. Next I will make 3 double crochets in that chain 2 space. 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 chains in the same space, and then I will slip stitch at the top of my petal, and now I will make 2 chains and go to the next chain 2 space. In this way I will make all 6 petals, or 7 or 8 depending upon how many you want. So 2 chains, I think I made 3, so 1 and 2. At the top of the petal you will make a slip stitch and 2 chains. So I will quickly finish this flower. 1, 2, 3. So after 2 chains we will make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet, 2 chains and slip stitch. Then at the top of the petal, slip stitch. Now we can cut our yarn and secure the tail. I will just tighten it and do slip stitch a couple of times, and now we can weave in the tail end. This is the final look of our flower, and here are some more. Though the center is not really visible, if you want you can try making it with another color, and I hope you will try these simple flowers and have fun with them. Until next time, take care.